Hey guys, if you've been following my shop build here, you know that it has been a long road and full of frustration and disappointment, but I am finally done with the contractor. After failing the first final inspection, the second one has passed. The building is now ready for me to finish out the inside. Last month I showed you what I was doing for interior lighting. Back before I had power to the shop, I was running them off a generator. But now we've got power in the shop. I'm going to install some badly needed outdoor lighting. So let's head inside and take a look at what I'm going to use. Alright guys, so in the box we have the light itself. It is all cast aluminum. Right here is where you can choose between a photocell that will automatically turn the light on at dusk and off at dawn. And that just plugs in like that. If you want to run it off of a light switch, you just use this black one here. Same thing, just put it in, twist it on. I am going to run the front light on the photocell and the light on the back of the shop off of a switch. So I'm going to do one of each. You've got the mounting bracket, which is also cast aluminum. It accepts a 2.5-inch pipe. You can also swivel this 180 degrees. The light is also completely serviceable. You've got your transformer there. You could direct wire if you wanted to. It comes with this pigtail, but if you wanted to direct wire right to the light itself, you could. So far, it's looking just like the UFO lights. Everything is either aluminum or stainless steel hardware. All right, I'm going to go ahead and assemble this. Got a couple of small Phillips head screws to get you access to the Allen head inside. Now I'm going to run the wire through this whole system. Now if you had a post in the ground, you would set this on the post and then you could run this 90 degrees for your light. I am going to have a post sticking straight out of my building, so I'm going to run this flat like it came. I'm going to run the wire through the hole. Just like so. And then we'll feed it through the hole here. Reinstall our Allen bolt. And again, you can fine tune this. I may end up adjusting this once I see how the light falls. You also have degrees laid out on this cover so you can make your adjustments and know how much you're adjusting it. Now for my mount, I fabricated a real quick bracket that I made out of scrap metal I had laying around. And this is going to mount to the wall. This will be inside the shop, and this bar will poke through the wall. This will slide on here, and the wire will actually go through and be wired on the inside of the building.
Wow, that went really easy. That is super solid. All right.
Now this light on the back I have wired to a switch just inside the door. I'm going to go flip it. Yeah, these 150 watts are plenty. The whole area is lit up here. This is perfect. That is putting out some serious light. My whole front area is lit up. Well guys, I am super happy with these lights, just like the ones inside. These outdoor lights are going to be perfect. Just like the first set, I don't make a dime on these. I appreciate you watching. I've got a couple of links down below in the description that can save you a few bucks on these if you're interested. Check out the website. There's all different kinds of lights, inside and out. I'm super happy with these. I think you will be too. I appreciate you guys watching as always. We'll see you real soon.